Hey guys, now I got a bunch of these things to sand, and it's kind of hard to sand it like this with the sander. It's gonna run all over the place, or I can hold it off to the side, like about right there, and try not to sand my finger. But there's a better way of doing that. I discovered. So here's a template that I use to make it, to make these pieces. What I did, I used the same template, put it on a piece of plywood, mark it out, take it to the bandsaw, and cut that piece out. As you can see, I started here, cut it out, slightly bigger than the piece. So I put a piece in, and then I just use a piece of wood, a plywood, as a shim, clamp it up on my bench, and now I can sand with ease. Now all I gotta do is flip it over, clamp it again, and sand the other side. No movement. That way it's not moving all over the place while I try to sand it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Ciao.